Adding strings, string concatenation. So I requested you to find the sum of two strings, A and B. If you have attempted it, you will find you did something to this effect. Print A plus B. Line number in Spider IDE. Again, I added that so you do know that I am also using Spider IDE. The print function A, the first string I requested for was A, plus addition operator to perform addition of strings. B, the second string I requested for was B. You will see the output as follows, a single string AB. Do you remember when I mentioned that a string is a sequence of characters? It means that the final string which arises will be in the same order the substrings are given. In our case, A and B are substrings, and the final string created after concatenation is AB. Now is the time when I mention that spaces also count as being a part of a string. Spaces as in when the spacebar is pressed. You see, the strings that we added, A and B, have no spaces in the beginning or end. I want you to see how strings work in Python. Navigate to your Python script where you performed string concatenation and add additional spaces in the string by pressing spacebar. So, I mean, make the length of the string longer by adding spaces before and or after the string characters. You might have something different, but the point is, you have inserted additional spaces. Print A plus B. Line number in Spider IDE, I added that. Print function A, I inserted one space before A, plus B, I inserted one space before B. Output will show as follows. The main point for you to see and understand here is that strings will be added and outputted in the order and format that you provide. I have added additional spaces in the strings while coding, and you would have done the same. Therefore, Python has added the strings together while retaining these characters. Notice that because I inserted a space before the letters A and B, Python has added the strings A and B, therefore accounting for the space we see before A in the output and the space separating A and B in the output.